buckle all the way to the end. Alright, so we have it bundled up. We left the last loop loose. We lay this in the cartridge on the side opposite of the silver Sharpie line. Ready? Yep. Put your bail right about where the handle is. Now we're going to load the supply side of the pre-connect. First thing we do is take the male end and fold it about halfway on the cartridge, and we just start doing a flat load. We take the male side, go ahead and hang it out the side, because we're going to connect that to the female side of the attack line. Now we're ready just to do a flat load, and when you're doing this, you're only going to load it right to this silver Sharpie line. Okay, we're at the first 50 foot, so we have a 50-foot coupling. We're at the first 50 foot, so we have a 50-foot coupling right here. Put a little dog here, just enough to grab it with your hand. Then continue your flow. This feed-bell connection is going to connect to the pig ear that comes out the apparatus. Our male end from the supply side just folds up around the back, connects to the pre-connect or the tack side from the bundled load. Just connect the couplings. Before we load the cartridge, we'll just take the supply side female, load it up to the pigtail on the apparatus. Other way.
Beautiful and perfect. Nothing went wrong today.
Nothing. There's nothing wrong with the day.